Good morning, 9th class children. Get ready for the class. Read it. We are doing factorization on algebraic formulae. Now we are in this exercise. In previous class, we did factorization for the quadratic equation without coefficient. Now with coefficient ax squared plus bx plus c. Now we are in previous exercise we did up to 10. Now remaining exercise problems. Now 11th problem. 11th to 15 plus 7 of p of 7 minus 2p. 12th 2 minus y of 7 minus 5y. 13. X of 2x minus 5 minus 3. And 14. 1 minus 18y minus 63y squared. 15. 18b minus 10a squared b squared minus 12ab cubed. And 16th 2 of a plus b whole square minus 5 of a plus b minus 3. We have to factorize. We have to split the middle term. So first of all, it is given in product form. Let us simply multiply 7p minus 2p squared. Product is 15 to the 30. Product is 30. In the middle 7 is there. So easy. Product is 30. P of 30 minus 30 and sum 7. It is possible with 10 threes are. The possible numbers are 10 threes are 30 minus 30. If this is your middle plus is there, so you put here plus here minus. Plus minus. So the possible numbers are 10 and 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. And 10 3s are 30 minus 30 p square. Now split it 15 plus 10p minus 3p minus 2p square. Now 7p is written as like this. Splitting into two terms. Now take 5p common here. 5p 5. 5 3s are 5 2s are. And here minus p taking common 3 plus 2p. Again these are same 3 plus 2p into 5 minus p like this. See, first of all we multiply, it is given in product form. 15 7 into p 7p minus 2p squared. Now it is brought into quadratic equation with coefficient a. The coefficient is 2. Product is 30 minus 30, sum is 7. 10 3s are. The middle plus is there, so you put for big number plus. then 3s are minus. Product is minus 30p square. Sum is 7p. 10 minus 3 7. Like that you have to choose. Split the middle term. Similarly this also. Minus 7y plus 5y squared. Product is minus 10. 10 3s are this also. 5 2s are 10. Both are same numbers. 5 2s are both are 5 and 2 7. So we can write this as 2 5s are, and both are minus. Minus minus becomes plus, like this. So 2 minus 2y minus 5y minus 5y squared. I am fitting this 7 as 2y and minus 5. Now take 2y common here, 5y common here. Taking 2 common, 1 minus y, here minus 5y taking common, 1 minus y. Yes. Again 1 minus y common. 1 minus y common. Here is 2 is left. Here is minus 5y left. So like this. This is the way of finding factors. Now this is also given in 2 form. So first multiply 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Product is 6 minus 6. Sum is 5. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So satisfying numbers are 6 and 1, and the middle minus is there. Here minus is there, you put for big number minus plus. So satisfying numbers are this 2x squared. Here minus is big number, the middle minus is there. So minus 6x minus x minus 3. Now plus x, because one is minus, this is plus. Now take 2x common, x minus 3 plus 1 taking common, x minus 3. X minus 3 again taking common, 2x plus 1, like this. 63 in the middle, 18 is there. 7 9s are 7 9, 7 9 16, not sets. 21 3s are correct. 21 3s are. Then the middle minus is there. Put here with minus plus. Product is minus 63 y squared, and 21 minus 21 plus 3 is minus 18. So you split like this. So 1 minus 21y minus plus 3y minus 63y squared. Take here 1 common. Take here 1 common, 1 minus 21y. Here taking 3 common, 3y common, 3y common, 1 minus 21y. Again 1 minus 21y common into 1 plus 3y, like this. Here take 2 common. If there is possibility in all the terms where 2 is there, 2ab taking common, here remains 4a squared minus 5ab, 2 5s are, and minus 6ab squared, 6b squared, 2 4s are, a into a square, a cube b, 2 5s are, a square b square, 2 6s are, 12 a b cube. Now factorize this. Product is 24. Product is 24 minus 24 In the middle 5 is there. 8 threes are. So 8 into 3s are. In the middle what is there? Minus is there. Put here minus plus. Like this. So split 2ab of 4a squared minus 8ab plus 3ab minus 6b squared. This 5ab is written as like this. Splitting into two terms. Take 4a common here, 3b common here. 2ab of taking 4a common, here a remains, here 2b remains. 4 2s are 8. Here 3b taking common, here a remains, minus 2b remains. So a minus 2b again taking common, 2ab of a minus 2b into 4a plus 3. Like this. These are the factors. Now coming to 16th, here a plus b whole square is given a plus b. Let a plus b is some other number x. Let a plus b is equal to x. Now this becomes 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Product is 6. So 6 1s are. The middle minus is there. The middle minus is there. Put here minus. Put here plus. So 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. Split this 5 as minus 6x plus x like this. Taking 2x common, x minus 3. Taking 1 common, x minus 3. Again x minus 3 taking common. Here remaining 2x plus 1. But what we suppose x? A plus b. But x is equal to a plus b. Now you write a plus b minus 3 into 2x. 2x value is 2x 2a plus 2b plus 1 like this. So these are the factors of the given quadratic expression. Good. So you please do all examples.